welcome to my channel, Olivia's Workshop. Today we're going to be learning how to craft a style. Today we're going to be making these super cute cork reindeers, and you can use them as decorations or ornaments. And these are all the things that you will be needing to make this. You'll need champagne corks in bulk, and you can buy them off Amazon or eBay. You can get these little red pom-poms and these pipe cleaners at your local craft store. Scissors, googly eyes, a pen, a strip of red felt, a hot glue gun, and a glue stick. And make sure to have adult supervision when around the glue gun. So those are all our supplies we're going to be needing. So this is how we're going to make the reindeer.